Happy Valentine's Day, ladies. I'm so excited to bring you this video clip today. Today's topic is my favorite quote from when I was first in DIQ, and it really helped me get through that season of my business, and I hope that you'll find something in it for you too. And the quote is, "When the prize is clear, the price gets cheap." And if you hadn't noticed how much I love quotes, they really help me if I can sit on it and think about it daily and really dive into what it means. It helps me get through those hard times in my business if I go back to that quote. So let's talk a little bit about what that quote means. When the prize is clear, what is the prize? The prize can be directorship, as it was for me going through DIQ. It could mean just a more balanced life for yourself. Not in the way of I'm this person, I'm a worker at this time, and a mom at this time, and I go to church at this time, but a more harmonious lifestyle. That could be the prize. The prize could be an actual prize, like a Star Consultant prize or a weekly prize at your meeting. Whatever it is, it could be a prize. And the quote is, "When the prize is clear, the price gets cheap." And that means that the sacrifices that you have to make to get to that prize are nothing in comparison to what you're gaining at the end. For me, it was directorship, and I knew that whatever I had to give up meant that I would become a director and have the lifestyle that I wanted, which was to be a stay-at-home mom eventually. And actually, let me rephrase that, because I'm not a stay-at-home mom. I'm a work-from-home mom. And I really hope that you guys can hear my heart when I say that whatever you have to do for your Mary Kay business will be worth it. And, sometimes the things we give up are monetary. When I first started, I worked full-time in my own hair salon, at least 60 hours a week. And that included 4 nights a week, 4 weeknights. And so I had to give up a weeknight, work night, every week to go to my weekly meeting, because I knew that I didn't know a single director out of all my mother's friends that had ever gotten anywhere in their business and not attended their weekly meeting. So I knew that was an essential part of what I was going to do. And so giving up my work night, there was no hours to replace that. If somebody needs to come in on a weeknight, I already worked the other weeknights, so there was no room to replace that. That meant I was giving up $200 to $300 a night to go to my weekly meeting, where obviously I'm not making $200 to $300 because I'm attending a meeting, but in the long run, I'm going to make that up in my director commissions and that sort of thing, and my sales when I brought guests and whatnot. But overall, to begin with, that's how much I gave up just to go to my meeting. And I know that you'll hear my heart when I say that it was worth every penny and to give up, and it gave me more than just the dollars that I got in return from knowing my business better and being a better part of my business, but also the fulfillment that the meeting gives you. I can't tell you how much it has meant to me over 9 years to go to a weekly meeting, just the support you get and the love and the friendship, along with all the other great benefits of a meeting. So that was just one small thing. When I was in DIQ, I knew I wanted to get done fast. I knew I had a busy life. I couldn't stop working my 50 to 60 hours a week. And so I had to delegate everything else. And that was a price that I had to pay to get my prize of directorship. And that meant somebody had to ride my horse for me, which I had to pay for. Somebody had to walk my dog. I told my husband, I'm not cooking. You can cook. You're capable. Even though that's really something I like to do for him and for us. I love to cook for my family, as most of you know. But that was something I had to give up. Laundry, bare essentials. I'll do what I have to do, but someone else is going to have to do it. I didn't have a child at the time, but if I did, I would have had to find childcare. And I think when we discuss childcare in our business, it's important to have backup, because if you have a childcare situation where somebody cancels on you because they're sick or whatever, what are you going to do? Well, you need to have a backup. I have a list of 5 people that I can call tonight if I need somebody to babysit Charlotte. And that does not even include family. That's people that I have built in my life that I know that I can count on, including paid babysitters. The paid ones are the last ones that I call, obviously, but I do have, I have a neighbor, actually 2 neighbors, and some of Charlotte's friends, moms that I've, made a conscious effort to be in contact with so that we can share the joys of, babysitting with each other. So I think that you'll find that if you can think about your success in these terms, as far as let's say, what are you going for? What's the ultimate goal? And maybe it's just to have a weekly income. Doesn't even matter what it is. You've heard so many top directors say, I started because I just wanted $50 a week. And sometimes it takes a little bit more effort to make things come together to do that. And I think that sometimes we think that, oh, it's just so much work to do. But I find that if you camp on this quote and understand what it means and how the end result is going to fulfill you in ways that you have no idea at this point, I think that you'll be certain to have a fabulous career with Mary Kay. So once again, that quote is, when the prize is clear, the price gets cheap. And that also goes along with our quote from yesterday of talking about we are where we are by the choices we have made or allowed others to make for us. And so I think it all goes together, and don't take advice from anybody you wouldn't trade places with. So I hope that you've enjoyed our weekly chat this week, and this weekend look forward to some fun. We're going to do some meeting etiquette updates, and then on Monday it'll be Amanda's turn to take the reins. So I hope you have a fabulous Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching. Bye!